Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Durango. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Durango offers accommodations in Durango. This hotel features a fitness center and on-site laundry facilities. Guest rooms at Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Durango include a microwave, a refrigerator and a coffee machine. There are dry cleaning services at the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.